let's figure out the answer to the question on everyone's mind. Where does the dip stop? So today we're going to figure out the answer, in my opinion, on that specific question. So keep watching if you want to watch more. Hello there, everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. So today we're back at it with a live market outlook video, or at least I'm recording this live. You're probably watching this back and it's not live actually. So basically the question on everyone's mind is, do we see a bear market now? Are we going to see a further crash? Are we going to go to zero? That's also like, people always get stressed in these kinds of situations. And yeah, I've seen many different corrections right now in the crypto market. So I'm cool, calm, and collected. And right now I'm just watching this level right here. Basically this 55,000 level and 55,222. Those are the two levels I'm carefully watching for a short-term pullback, just at 55K level, watching for a potential pullback, perhaps to this resistance area right here, around 58,000. Around 60,000. We'll see where the pullback eventually lands. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to buying a dip if we get to this 55K level. I would love to see a very aggressive dip towards the downside, just because we get that liquidation effect, right? And yeah, I do love buying those overextended wicks, right? So one of the reasons why I think we're going to see a small continuation is because I don't really see a large wick on the downside on these two candlesticks, right? It's just 1% or 0.8%. That's not very aggressive. I like to see those big liquidation spike, right? Like something, for example, like this, where you have a 3% wick on the bottom of a candle, or something like this, where you just have a very aggressive move and then you start to range. That's basically what I want to see, right? Or something like this, or something like this. Basically an aggressive push at the bottom of a correction, because that's the way I love to see those corrections end in the crypto market, is by a very aggressive wick and then like a candle close like this, right? So basically a hammer candle, just with a long wick at the bottom. That's what I love to see an ending on a correction. Now, for a potential temporary ending, I'm looking at these two areas, right? 55,200 and 55K. That's basically my target for a correction. This entire zone is interesting to me until 54K. And I will definitely be buying something like this if it's presented. So we are a little bit overextended towards the downside. Basically, we have been continuously moving down for around 16% now in 3 days, which basically means that we could be seeing a pullback. I'll check some RSI as well. I don't really trade RSI a lot, but it can be fine to look at it. Yeah, basically we are definitely getting overextended a little bit on that RSI as well. I don't really trade RSI, but I use it sometimes to spot specific things happening in the market, just like this divergence right here that we used to basically call that correction. Right now we are getting at the lower ends again. And whenever we start to get on the lower ends, it can be interesting to start looking for buys again. That's basically the way I like to use RSI sometimes, just to get a broad picture of the market and the way that we are moving towards the downside. So for me, as I said before, I'm watching these two key levels. I'm watching metaverse plays like Sand, for example. I'm watching Illuvium. I'm watching Blocktopia. Yeah, Blocktopia. Yeah, Block. Basically, I bought some Block today for around 0.097. So a small profit on this red day of 7%. That's lovely, actually. And Mana, of course, absolutely smashed it. So congratulations to everyone who took it based on the market outlook video of yesterday or based on the call in our premium Discord service. Congratulations to everyone. So yeah, basically I'm looking for a small continuation towards the downside, a long wick at around these levels. Otherwise, I'm targeting this right here, 51,000, if we start to break below the 53,000 range. I'm starting to look at 51,000-ish for a potential reversal. And then we also start to hit this 50K with a lot of different confluences. So that's basically the way I am going to trade the markets during the weekend. I will be a little bit less active during the weekend because I have a trip planned. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will see you all in the next one.